Some people dwell in a small house not because they want to, but because they have to. They don't have many choices because a bigger home entails more money, not to mention that maintenance. If you're struggling with a small house, don't worry. You might think it's exasperating at first. However, after watching these 10 ingenious space savers for small homes, you'll begin to see them as blessings in disguise. So what are you waiting for? Let's check them out. As always, SimpHome presents you with this list. 10. How to get by in a 175 square foot house. You might gasp when knowing that this house is only 175 square feet. Then you wonder how you could live in such a small home. This house is long and narrow because it's actually an RV. Since the space is limited, the owner can only use a galley-type kitchen that allows them to have more floor space for foot traffic. They use a loft bed placed above the bathroom to save more space, and you can also find a steel ladder to access the bed. Another space-saving idea you can find here is the drop-leaf tables mounted to the wall. You only need to slide the ladder and lift the tables to instantly create a cozy dining room. 9 is free up the floor space by opting for wall sconces. Every inch is essential in a tiny house, therefore you have to be thoughtful when choosing furniture and fixture. Floor or table lamps may look fascinating, however, they can take up your valuable space. Therefore, opting for sconces is always a terrific idea. Sconces can work as well as their lighting counterparts. They illuminate your bedroom while saving more floor space. Besides, they also come in various designs that suit your requirements well. 8 is a smart way to hide your chairs and tables. Can you see the chairs and tables? Maybe you'll not notice them at first. All you can see are merely stylish cubbies that you can use to organize your stuff or display your knickknacks. But come closer and you'll witness magic here. When you pull the colored lines from that white shelf, you'll find 4 colorful chairs and 2 purple tables. The thin chairs and tables are handy, and you can use them to arrange and create a dining room area or a place to play a board game. The good thing is their slim design enables them to fit snugly into the notches in the cubbies, allowing you to have more space. Other ideas you can select to hide your chair and tables. Number 1, you can install shallow baskets on the cubbies to hide your chairs and tables. Number 2, you can also use dining tables as small coffee tables. Place a saucer under the table legs before storing it for more standing room. Number 3 is to place them horizontally along the back wall or built-in bookcase to have extra storage space. You don't have to hide your furniture in a tiny cubby hole. And number 4 is to install a chair rail to place your chairs against the wall. It's also a nice way to add some decoration to your room. 6 is to try a pull-out sofa bed. Studio apartment dwellers have to merge their bedrooms with their living rooms sometimes, and in fact, they don't even have proper living areas and sleeping spaces. If you're also struggling with this situation, you might need to invest in a day bed. You can use a day bed as a seat during the day and a place to sleep at night, but even better, you can purchase a pull-out sofa bed. As the name suggests, a pull-out sofa bed, also known as a sleeper sofa, is retractable. You'll get a queen-size bed when you pull the seat, perfect for hitting the hay. 5. A savvy organization using an under-the-stair storage. The area under the stairs is awkward, therefore many people leave it untapped. However, you would not do that if you lived in a small house because every nook and cranny is precious. Instead of leaving this space untapped, you can try turning it into a closet. First, if you cover the under-the-stairs area with walls, you need to remove them. Then reframe the opening to have 3 openings for equal width. After that, assemble T-shaped pieces to build the drawer slide supports. Next, attach them right behind the studs. You can do this by using construction adhesive and 2-inch screws. You need to make sure the supports are square at the bottom plate. This way, the drawer slides will not bend. To do so, you can use a framing square. Now it's time to assemble drawer boxes. This step will be tricky because you have to measure the opening and the drawer width. After that, you need to subtract the thickness of 2 drawer slides because each drawer has to be as deep as the drawer slide length. You'll also need to measure that it is 3/4 of an inch less than the height of the opening. Once you've calculated the dimension of each drawer, you can resaw frame stock, sand out any saw marks, install the frames and drawer fronts, paint them, and finally install those drawers. 4 is stylish and organized ways to take care of your clutter. Wall-mounted shelves have always been a reliable solution for those who lack space. They're good at keeping clutter at bay while freeing up the floor space. You can take this idea to the next level by installing these unique shelves. Instead of screwing some boards to the wall, you can use them to create a particular pattern that you like. This shelf, for example, runs from the floor up to the ceiling in a zigzag pattern. To highlight it epically, you can apply a contrast by introducing a soft color hue like off-white to the right side of the shelf and a bold shade like charcoal gray to the other side. 3. Stairs with plenty of storage potential. These stairs work significantly harder than they're supposed to. They give access to the room upstairs and provide many storage solutions for those who live in a smaller house. Each stair is a drawer that you can use to store your shoes or anything you want. And that's not the only surprise you can see. The area under these stairs also is turned into handy storage with drawers and cabinets. 2 is over-the-toilet bathroom organizer idea. A compact bathroom doesn't give you many choices. You can't shove a vanity in it to organize the space. Therefore, this over-the-toilet cabinet might come in handy. It's like a standard cabinet with shelves. However, it has long legs to support it and stay over the toilet. Some basic instructions. Number 1 is to build your over-the-toilet bathroom organizer by cutting the construction materials. Number 2, you need a 1x8 board that's 6 feet long and another one that is a 1x12 board, which is 10 feet long. Number 3 is to cut both boards to size with a circular saw. Number 4 is to cut out the miters on the ends of all boards at 45 degrees. Number 5 is then attach the pieces at right angles to each other using glue and clamps after you pre-drill holes on either side of the joints. Number 6. Lastly, attach a long 2x4 for the overhang with screws. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. And lastly, number 1, a pull-out additional countertop storage idea. Maybe you wish you had more countertop to make you cook comfortably. It's time to grant your wish by creating this pull-out additional countertop. This additional countertop hides in the kitchen island, and when you need it, you only need to pull it out. Now you have an extra countertop that you can use as a dining table. Other kitchen pull-out tables feature more than one drawer slide. This way, you can retract a long table from a small countertop or kitchen island. Some tables also feature hinges that enable you to fold the tabletops when you stash them away. Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that SimpHome has to offer. Last, other than the 3 list titles that I already mentioned, I am giving you 25 hand-selected titles based on unique categorization that you can enjoy and take from the website that I already endorse. Here they are. Top 20 List and Beyond category. Number 1, 333 Small Kitchen Ideas, Organization and Kitchen Designs. 2, 125 Kitchen Makeover Ideas for this year and beyond. 3, 100 plus ideas on how to transform your small bedroom into a calming sanctuary. 4, 62 IKEA furniture and storage creative makeovers. 5, 33 organizing small household item ideas. 6, 20 decor projects that will upgrade your home. 7, 20 organization products and decorations for a small living room. And number 8, 20 lit small bedroom organizing ideas worth trying. New top 12 list category. Number 1, 12 bedroom makeovers on a budget ideas. 2, 12 budget-friendly DIY backyard decor ideas. 3, 12 minimalist bedroom organization tips. 4, 12 modern bathroom makeovers. 5, 12 unique organization for small bedroom ideas. 6, 12 bathroom cabinet makeover, and number 7, 12 backyard makeover ideas on a budget. Return to the Slide House channel. Eventually, I'm going to present you with the 10 best Slide House titles that you can rewatch or re-explore in Simp Home's website, in case you already missed it. Number 1. 10 small space ideas to maximize small bedroom. 2. 10 cheap landscaping ideas for small backyards. 3. 10 small living room makeover ideas. 4. 10 unique wall painting ideas for small bedroom. 5. 10 garden paving ideas. 6. 5 clever living walls and vertical garden ideas. 7. 10 vertical garden trellis ideas. 8. 10 storage ideas for small space bedrooms. 9. 10 backyard garden vegetable garden ideas. And lastly, number 10. 10 small bedroom office ideas.